Good morning, Professor. Today I'm going to explain you my NoSQL presentation, that is the MongoDB. First, I'm going to give the overview of the project. Then I'm going to demonstrate the working condition of my project. And finally, I'm going to tell you why the developers generally use the MongoDB. So as you can see, this is the HTML page, and to run the project we gotta run three different kinds of servers. That's the database server, and the database console, and the application server. First, we're gonna go to the database server. The database server actually uses a command called mongod to get started, and now as you can see, the database server got started. Now we gotta go to the database console. The database console uses a command called the mongo command. Once you use the command, it connects to the DB, and show dbs is a command to show the database is present, and use movie list is the command that I'm gonna use, as movie list is the name of the database I've been using for my project, and it switched to the DB movie list. So there is a command called db dot movie list dot find command, which actually displays the data in the database, and no data is displayed. It means that there is no data in the database. And finally, this is the application server. I've taken the front end of the application as node.js, and the backend is the MongoDB. So I'm gonna use the node server command to run the application. Yes, it has started running, and as you can see, localhost, yes. So this is my homepage of the project. It has, as you can see, there are certain tabs here and a button called add movie, which actually allows us to add a movie. So first I'm going to show you the hello world part of my project. Okay, more tools and developer tools. Yes, here goes. It shows the hello world from the controllers, the hello world part of my project, and Jurassic World is the movie name. We're gonna add this movie into the database now. Yeah, you could see, yeah, a movie name called Jurassic World is being actually entered into the database. So I'm gonna show you the same thing in the backend. So we're gonna use the same command. Yes, it actually shows the Jurassic World is being added. So now we're gonna add a different movie directly into the database using a command called the db dot the movie list dot insert command, and it says inserted one. So it means that the the data is being inserted into my application. That is, yeah, as you can see, Jurassic World and Pixels are both the movies displayed right in here. So as I've already shown you the add functionality, now I'm going to show you the remove functionality. So I'm removing the Jurassic World from here. So once I go back into the database to check if it's been successfully removed, yes, the movie list find command shows you that yes, there's only Pixels movie right in here. So this is actually the functionality that I've implemented for my project. This thing I've taken from my previous work, that is the CYSC 630 course. That's work for one of my applications. And now I'm going to tell you like why developers generally use the MongoDB. MongoDB is the backend application, as we know that, and it's perfect fit for the node.js. As we already worked on the node.js last week, we know that the node.js is the emerging technology. It's been developed like few years back, and as you know that the node.js actually works as the front end, and this the MongoDB is the back end of my application. This is all about all the information I've got about my project. Please let me know if there are any questions. Thank you. Have a good day.